बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. The Thief and the Apple Tree. A powerful moral story. In a small village lived a humble farmer who owned an old apple tree. His apples were sweet and juicy, loved by everyone. But one thing troubled him. Someone stole his apples every night. The farmer never set traps. He simply said, "Whoever is stealing must be hungry. May God guide him." One night, the thief climbed the tree, but the branch snapped. He fell with a loud thud. The farmer rushed outside with a lantern. He found the thief on the ground, injured and trembling. The thief expected shouting, beating, but the farmer calmly helped him up. He brought him inside, cleaned his wounds, and handed him a basket full of apples. The thief broke into tears. No one had ever treated him with kindness. He confessed his wrongdoings and promised to earn honestly from that day forward. Moral: sometimes kindness is stronger than punishment. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.